Hey guys, welcome back to Kali J's Kitchen. Today I'll take you back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I prepared my fish tea. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend about Kali J's Kitchen. You can also follow me on Facebook, it's Kali J's Kitchen. Follow me on Instagram, it's KaliKitchen_1, and go ahead and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So here I have some dough that I made up to make some nice spinners to add to my fish tea. I also have 2 parrot fish. I also have some onion, scotch bonnet peppers and bell peppers. I also have some all-purpose seasoning, pimento berries and some parsley flakes. I also have my fish cock soup mix, and I also have my carrots and my potatoes. I also have some water in my pot that I'm going to cook my fish in. So what I'll do, I'll go ahead and cook this fish up for roughly 4 to 5 minutes until it's soft. Then I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. So guys, this is the 2 parrot fish. So what I'll do, I'll go ahead and remove most of the bone from the fish, hopefully all of it, but that is impossible. So I'll just try to remove what I can remove. All right, and just a reminder guys, you don't have to use parrotfish. You can go ahead and use any other fish that you have. And remember to always try to be creative when you're cooking. Always try to be you in the kitchen. All right, so if you don't have something, try to just substitute and use something else. All right, even if you have sliced fish, you can go ahead and use your sliced fish once you remove the bone from it. All right, and just to point out, this is fish tea. So fish tea is a little bit different from fish soup. The soup is a thicker version of the tea. All right, so I know most of you gonna ask what's the difference, so I'm just making sure I tell you guys the difference between fish tea and fish soup. All right, guys, so this is what it looks like after I remove the bone. So what I'll do, I'll go over on the stove now because it's time to start preparing my fish tea. So what I did, I went ahead and add the fish back to the pot that I boil it in, and don't worry about it, it's gonna crush out. That is okay. So what I'll do now, I'll go ahead and make up the spinners and add it to the boiling water. And you don't have to add the spinners, it's optional. I normally just add it because I love spinners in whatever I'm doing, whether soup or tea. I love my spinners. All right, so what I'll do now, I'll go ahead and also add the carrot and the Irish. I will also add the onion, the pimento berries and the scotch bonnet pepper, and also the bell peppers, and I'll just leave this to boil until it's soft. Not too soft, we want it to be a little bit crunchy, so I'm not going to allow it to boil too much. About 8 minutes and that's it. So guys, this is after 8 minutes. So this is what it looks like. It's almost cooked. Everything is just nice. So what I'll do, I'll go ahead and add the pimento berries. I also add the fish cock soup mix. I'll also add the all-purpose seasoning and just combine everything together. Really easy, really simple. Allow this to just boil up some more because we want our soup to cook properly. We also want the fish cock soup mix to cook, so we're going to allow this to just cook, and then I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like, and I'll also serve it up and show you guys. All right, so guys, this is what my fish tea looks like, and basically within half an hour I am finished doing everything. Right, so guys, go ahead and try this out. So this is the final product of my fish tea. As you can see, really tasty. I love it, guys. It tastes so good and it's really easy and simple. And as I said earlier, within half an hour I am out of the kitchen. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and try this recipe and tell your friends, tell your family members about Kali J's Kitchen. Turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload it.